it yourself. In the original, it was just completely... it was completely, you know, menu-based. But now that you get to move around a little bit on the touchscreen, I miss that. It's nostalgic. Bonjour, you are trainer? Battle gym leader when you did? Yes? Ooh la la, very nice indeed. Okay, I didn't mean to hiccup there. What in the Le Français? Is he just there? Is he just standing here? Is that all you do? You just stand here and be French? That is your own... Like... I keep having hiccups. More French. Ike, please, that was awesome. Please don't fool yourselves. That was atrocious and we all know it. Ugh, hiccups. Why now? I haven't even done anything to warrant hiccups. Ugh. Thank goodness, like, you guys don't have tracking for whenever I, like, move up and down, because if you did, then you would see me just have massive hiccups right now. Where did they come from? I didn't even do anything! Why do I have hiccups all of a sudden? Ugh.
やる気が出ない、やる気が出ない、布団から出られない。